How to block someone on Snapchat. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. I am Bimo from App Guide. In today's guide video, I will show you the way on how you can actually easily block someone on Snapchat. But before we get started with the video, if you are new to our channel, do make sure to leave a like and hit the subscribe button. And without any further ado or delay, let's get started with today's video. So first of all, simply make sure that you have either downloaded or updated the Snapchat app to the latest version. And you can do this by heading over to your app store, in a search box typing in Snapchat, and go ahead and simply either download or update the application. Once you've updated the Snapchat app, I want you to go over and then simply open it up. The next thing you want to make sure is that you are logged into your account. And after you are logged in, you can see that this is how it is going to look like. All you have to do is, first of all, you have to come to the chat page by tapping on the chat icon between the snap map and the camera icon. Once you come to the chat page, just open up the chat thread of the person whom you want to block. So let's say this is the person I want to block. I'll just go ahead and then tap on their name, which is at the very top of the screen, to go to their profile page. Now what I have to do is, in order to block them, it's very simple. All you have to do is to simply tap on the three horizontal dots from the very top right hand side. Once you tap on the three dot icon, you have to go to the option called Manage Friendship. So just tap on it. As you tap on Manage Friendship, you will see Report, Block, or Remove Friend. By the way, you can also remove them as friend without blocking them. But if you do really want to block, then just tap on the Block option. And it will ask you for a confirmation. Are you sure you want to block this person? You just have to tap on the Block button. You also want to keep in mind that once you basically block and then unblock them, that person is going to be removed from your friends list, which means that you have to add them back again, but they will know that you have blocked them. Hopefully this video helped you and as to how you can block someone on Snapchat. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any more questions, queries, or doubts, simply also make sure to leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.